I got my new MacBook and we're going to unbox it together. This is the MacBook Pro 14-inch. I'm so excited because I want to show you my old MacBook, which is the MacBook Pro 2017, and this is the 15-inch, and I've used it for like 5 years, and it served me so well. But I want something smaller, and not only do I do iOS development and like coding on my MacBooks, I now do video editing, so I need an even more powerful MacBook, so that's why I asked for an upgrade. But yeah, you have served me so well. I am just looking for someone more powerful, so let's get into the unboxing. This is the MacBook 14-inch 2023 M2 chip, 38-core GPU. This is like the state-of-the-art MacBook that I got with custom configuration. Like 38-core GPU, 96 gigabytes of unified memory, so that's RAM, and a 38-core GPU, which is perfect for video rendering, perfect for gaming, which I'm not a gamer, but that's something I could get into. Could be a Twitch streamer. This has a 12-core CPU. So my old MacBook only had a 4-core CPU. And this has 2 terabytes of storage. Now I don't have to carry my hard drive around. This is my entire office all in this thing, and I'm so excited. So you just saw me unbox my new MacBook. It's so beautiful. It's silver instead of space gray, which I think is more me.
To use English as the main language.
My old MacBook, which is so still loved, I'm just going to recycle it at the Apple Store. I'll get a couple $100 for it, hopefully. I actually bought this in 2019. I bought it from the certified refurbished part of the Apple website, and it has served me so well. Like, this was actually $2,000 refurbished. It's the MacBook Pro, so of course it's gonna have a hefty price tag, but it's gotten me so far in my career. Before I was using Apple products, I was being really frugal. I had a Chromebook in college, which I thought was gonna be a really good deal. It was only $329, and it kind of looked similar to a MacBook. The beauty of a Mac is so stunning, but like the Chromebooks look similar, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm getting a good deal. It's only $329, and it's faster than my old HP laptop, and I'm gonna go to college, and it's gonna be great. And I could barely do a lot of things on it. I couldn't even use Microsoft Word. Like, everything is literally a browser. So I could only use Google Drive, Google Sheets, Google Word, or whatever the Google Drive's Word document tool is called. So that was horrible, probably contributed to why I failed in school. But when I decided to take the leap and get into the Mac world, my life sort of changed. This was like one of the things that changed my life, not the tipping point, but it was like shifting my mindset into abundance mode where, you know, I can afford nice quality things. Like, it is an investment, and it's done wonders for me. Now I even have like a YouTube channel on top of my like software engineer career, like, which is crazy because you can't video edit on like a Chromebook. Like, with this beauty, I could do so much. Can't wait to take this when I travel. I'm just really excited. Like, That's my little new MacBook unboxing. It's no secret that securing our online accounts can be a hassle. Between work and personal use, we all have hundreds of online accounts. Most of our lives nowadays is all digital, and there's not a lot of good options for staying secure. Usernames and passwords aren't cutting it. After all, who wants to create and remember hundreds of login credentials? Not sure about you, but I definitely don't want to copy and paste one-time codes a million times a day. Yubikey from Yubikey takes away the headache of online security and makes it simple and easy to integrate into your everyday life. The Yubikey is a physical security key to protect the digital you. It keeps your account safe from hackers. It adds an extra layer of security beyond just username and password. In fact, security keys like the Yubikey is the only 2FA method proven to prevent phishing and account takeovers. The best part, it only takes one simple touch of the key to log in. No need for batteries or mobile connectivity, and no more copy-pasting annoying passcodes. Without physical access to your Yubikey, hackers can't get into your accounts. Hardware-bound passkeys, such as ones like Yubikeys, are the gold standard for modern phishing-resistant authentication and security. Yubikey allows you to have a peace of mind wherever you go. The Yubikey works with hundreds of services such as Gmail, YouTube, Twitter, Apple ID, Dropbox, password managers, crypto exchanges, and many more. Just one key protects all of your online accounts. Check out the link in my description to protect your digital life with Yubikey. Use code ValerieD for $5 off any Yubikey 5 series or security key series purchase. Oh my gosh, I only have 10 minutes to get to the hair salon. What do I wear? Oh, should I wear a cardigan? Oh my god, I don't know. I'm gonna be chopping off my hair. Hopefully it turns out well. I didn't eat anything. And the Uber's here. Some mango. I've been fasting for 18 hours and 30 minutes. I really like this app called Zero for fasting. Not sponsored, I wish they did. People are usually doing keto or something when they fast, but that's not me, I'm not keto. When you break a fast, it's good to not eat carbs. Or it's better to eat like fat and protein, I think. But I'm a carb lover. Okay, I'm done with mango. I'm gonna save this for later. So I wanna make a green smoothie, but I wanna make it with protein. So we're gonna use the fellow YouTuber Jen M's protein recipe. So she uses the Thin Mint flavored protein shake. I love Thin Mints, so this is a good-ish alternative to actually eating Thin Mints. And then we just need some spinach to add the greens, and yeah. And then a little bit of water, because we're gonna add like a ton of ice. And then some delicious spinach. Just fill up this entire thing. Well, actually, you know what? I've been more particular. So I'm gonna use my scale. Okay, 77. I'm like pushing this down right now. 83. Okay. 85. Okay. That is that much spinach compressed. Very creamy, doesn't taste like spinach at all. All I can taste is the Thin Mint protein shake. And guys, spinach is so good for you and so versatile. You can throw it in anything savory, sweet, and you won't even notice. I just spent 30 minutes trying to understand like Vite, this framework that I want to use. I'm just gonna put a disclaimer out here. I am not a web developer. I am an iOS developer native to Swift and Objective-C. So do not judge me for not knowing this web stuff. So someone told me to use Vite for this project I wanna like learn and have fun with. So I kind of learned that there's this thing called server-side rendering versus client-side rendering. I don't know why. This is not an issue in iOS development. Like I don't have to worry about client-side rendering or server-side rendering in iOS development. So I don't know. Which one do I use? Do I use Vite? I don't know. Is it for the server or can I build like a form with it? Like I'm so confused. Okay, I'm going to make some coffee and then I think I'm gonna look into like dynamic web pages versus static web pages and see what's the difference, and then go down that route and figure out if the thing I'm building, the web app that I'm building, is a dynamic web page or a static web page. Okay, after watching all of those videos and learning about server-side rendering versus client-side rendering, dynamic versus static websites, finally understand this blog post.